Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to start a return on AliExpress. So, open AliExpress application on your phone and go to your account at the bottom right corner of your screen and go to My Orders section. Now find order that you want to return, tap on it to open its details and go to button Returns and Refunds. So now your screen should look approximately like this, and now you have to fill in this little form. First of all, you should answer a few questions, and the first question is, did you receive your item? So select yes option, and then next question, do you want to return your item? Select here yes option as well. Then next you have to provide a reason why you basically request your return. So tap this arrow and you will see a list of options and pick one reason that describes your situation the best. Then tap continue button, and then you have to here indicate refund amount, of course, if you want to get your refund, and enter that amount in that field. Then tap continue button, and now you should confirm your return method. So there are two methods available, and the first one is AliExpress free return service, and second is self drop off. So think about it and decide which option will work out for you better, and tap it to select it. Then tap continue button, and now additionally you can provide more information on what exactly happened to your item and why you basically want to do a return, and actually that way you will get higher chances that seller will approve your request. And here you need to upload photos, videos and screenshots as a proof for the seller. And finally, do not forget to submit your request. Usually requests are being processed within few business days, so you have to wait a little bit, and after your request is approved, make sure to find your free return label. So in order to do that, you need to go back to AliExpress, then enter My Orders section, find order that you want to return and tap on it to open its details and go to dispute button, and finally you will see your free return label there. And here's the thing with those labels, that you have 5 days deadline to find your label, and if you miss this deadline, your case will be closed, and unfortunately you will be no longer be able to make a return. So labels are very important, and I would say that this is the most important part when it comes about returning items on AliExpress. So download that label and print it out. Next you have to carefully pack your parcel and stick your label to it. And after receiving your label, you have 15 days to drop off your parcel at the local post office, and basically wait until your package will be delivered to the seller back. And yeah, that were the main points on how to start a return on AliExpress. But if you still have some questions and you need more information, now I will show you how to access more instructions. So open any item on AliExpress and scroll down to section free returns, tap learn more button, then scroll down to section free returns, and now you have it. So here you can see step-by-step instruction how to make a return and some additional information about returns and refunds. So you may find this information helpful as well. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.